Good day, good day, good day. Going to talk through my thoughts here on this trade. Possibility USDJPY. 1 minute chart up right now. Just actually attempted a long right out of this engulfing bar here, and it was quickly stopped out with displacement. So then I can look at it a little different way now. So zooming out a little bit, seeing the 5 minute breaking structure, and now making sure on this 1 minute chart, big move down, quick recap up into it. If this bar that is happening right now happens to close below the green bar, then I can take it short. There's a fair value gap as well as an order block that I'm looking at. So one more opportunity probably here. If this one closes down below, then I'll take it short. It's how I see it. We shall see. We shall see. 30 seconds left on the candle, and I prefer to see a pretty big engulfing bar. Not huge, but not just this tiny body, but preferably down below here. So and something I've noticed in the recaps and things that I look at, or like kind of back testing, I guess, is two bar engulfing patterns essentially. So like two red bars in a row that show strength. One maybe small red one and one big one. I've seen a lot of trades work out in that fashion as well. So we'll see. This one's okay too. I'd still like to see it close below that second candle back now at this point. Starting to move down. Well, I'm starting to move down. 20 seconds left. Looks like it's not going to give it to me, but one more, like I was saying, if there's one more big red bar right now, then I would feel okay with it still. So definitely wait for the candle to finish forming. Don't assume that just because of a big pop down right at the beginning that it's going to do anything that I want it to. An ideal engulfing bar would actually finish below this line. That would be pretty cool. Get ready for the entry if it does shoot down here in the last few seconds. Starting to stop is going to come in just above this red line up here if it happens. And no, I'm not going to take it. Bummer. So I gotta wait. So there's a little raid in there, potentially just taking out anyone that did just put their stop right above there. And gives an opportunity for another location for an engulfing bar for my confirmation. So this one's just about done. It's perfect setup. And this bar blows out, closes below the last two short-term lows. Oh, I guess that's not short-term low. Last short-term low, which is the lowest of that second candle back right here. Good start. What I don't want is actually it to close like down here. That'll be too far. 30 seconds left on this candle. And my how things change in just a matter of seconds. This looks good so far though. It's getting down, digging into that last red bar. So coming up in the last few seconds here, I will take this short if it closes right here. 2, 1, go. Okay. Entered in there. You can see stop loss calculated there plus spread. First target is going to be here, just over 1 hour. Second target, switch time frames here, take a look. Do I think it can get this low? Do I think it can get this low? In 15 minutes. Just kind of trying to evaluate here on based on the different time frames how likely it is for a bigger move in the short direction. I think I'm going to leave my target down here. Come in for this liquidity here. And then if I see some hesitation, then what I'll do is I'll maybe take another half off down here, assuming that it gets that low. So we'll see. I haven't had a winning trade yet this week. It'd be nice to at least, there we go, good, to at least get that first safety trade out of the way, or like the pay the trader portion of things. So that one just triggered. You can see that first one I tried earlier, that was a quick fail. This one's at least a quick protection. So now the trade is just slightly profitable, even if it goes back to stop out. That was like 1.5 R. So that's cool. Took out that liquidity pretty quick. See if it wants to stay down there and keep going. Like I said, my plan for exit, the rest of this is to watch what happens around this 5-minute low line that I've got pointed out right here. Maybe take another half off, which would leave me with a quarter of the position to ride down towards this liquidity pool down here. So shall see how that goes. If it gets a nice strong push below here, then I'll probably just wait for the whole other half. So I think this one's getting long enough at this point, so I'm gonna just, oh crikey. Oh, I just realized my lot size based on this range. So it's like 2.5 pips, so it's a huge position. That's okay though. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when I see something close to exit happening.